This is a case study of a Mitsubishi cold climate heat pump installation at Brook Farm Inn, located in Lenox, Massachusetts, part of the Berkshires vacation area by Girard Heating and Air Conditioning, Inc. Maureen and Joe, owners of the historic Brook Farm Inn, a charming 1865 Victorian bed and breakfast in Lenox, just minutes from Pittsfield, were ready to modernize their heating and cooling systems. Their goals were to improve guest comfort in both private rooms and shared spaces, increase energy efficiency, and reduce their overall carbon footprint, all while preserving the character and ambiance that make their Berkshires property so special. The challenges? 1. Upgrading an outdated HVAC system in a historic 19th century Victorian property without disrupting its aesthetic appeal. 2. Providing consistent, customizable comfort across multiple guest rooms and common areas. 3. Transitioning from gas and oil systems to a more energy-efficient, low-carbon solution. 4. Completing a full system retrofit within an active hospitality environment. The solutions? 1. Installed Mitsubishi hyperheating multi-zone heat pump systems with 10 wall-mounted indoor units and 1 single-zone system to serve individual guest rooms and shared spaces. 2. Designed a room-by-room zoning strategy, allowing guests to control temperatures independently for maximum comfort. 3. Integrated branch box technology to efficiently distribute heating and cooling without invasive ductwork. 4. Engineered the system to qualify for a $17,175 Mass Save commercial heat pump rebate. The benefits: the new system delivers quiet, energy-efficient heating and cooling throughout the entire inn while preserving the building's historic charm. Each guest room now features individualized climate control, eliminating uneven temperatures and enhancing the guest experience. The upgrade also significantly reduces the property's carbon footprint and operating costs. With a 10-year parts warranty and 2-year labor warranty, the owners gained long-term peace of mind, along with immediate financial savings through rebates. Summary of a successful Berkshires HVAC upgrade? Joe and Maureen wanted to modernize their heating and cooling systems while improving comfort for every guest, and that's exactly what we delivered. The new system not only enhanced comfort across the property, but also secured over $17,000 in rebates and reduced their reliance on fossil fuels. Girard Heating and Air Conditioning, Inc.